So today's video is going to be about scams, and this is our effort to trying to educate you, to save you from some of these. If your luck is bad, then कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Digital arrest वाला video आ जाएगा. You are digitally arrested. But we're not talking about the digital arrest scams. We're talking about scams related to PC component industry and PC building. That's what we are experts in. So let's talk about that. Starting off with number one, which is the most common one, dumping over leftover stock. I mean, the comment is on your screen. So by the way, we kind of researched all over the internet to some extent for this video just to get headliners. So yeah, dumping leftover stock. So what happens is this particular guy wants to sell you something and he'll try to convince you in various ways or convince your father. So pro tip number one, don't go to buy a PC with your father. This is for the kids out there trying to build a gaming PC, but yeah, fair enough. Do your own research rather than trusting simply what the guy in front of you is saying. Unless you're talking to MVP, of course, because we won't suggest you shit. Step number two is sometimes shopkeepers in various places will not give you the boxes of the build they're giving you. I mean, sometimes some brands are stickler for these and you might not end up getting your warranty, which can be a pain sometimes. Imagine spending lakhs and lakhs of rupees and not getting warranty on that. So be careful. Always ask for boxes wherever possible. Now, scam number three is not exactly a scam, but many times just a letter change on the SKU means you're getting a completely different product. For example, you would think that 1400KF is better than 1400K. Why? Because उसमें extra letter है, but that F actually signifies इसमें display नहीं है. So if your graphic card stops working, you have a useless PC because nothing's going to give you display output. Not really a scam. Sometimes people make mistakes. You kind of need to be careful about that. Know exactly what you're getting, right? So okay, this comment, I'll just read the comment. Motherfucker sold me a GT 730 saying high-end graphic card, giving me for cheap because he knew my brother. I got scammed out of 20k. Imagine paying 20k for a GT 730. Wow. Seriously. Damn. There's a special place in hell reserved for this guy. Who sells GT 730 for 20k? But who buys it as well, right? Kar lo yaar, Google hi kar lo yaar. Matlab, how can you get stuck with that? Oh, there's this huge comment. Flipkart is a complete scam. Delivered a DOA MacBook and are not replacing it now. I mean, yeah, guys. In 2025, you're still kind of purchasing from that cart. God bless your cart. It's not happening. Don't do it. Don't help them out by giving them big orders like this. So scam number 5, so to say, changing parts after taking advance. I mean, yeah, this happens a lot. Especially if it's not informed to you. I mean, that's bad. That's totally not what should happen. Always make it a point to get a GST bill or buying anything from Lamington Road to avoid future wanted headaches. Maybe just don't buy. Okay, now the next scam is PC components swap during repair. And believe it or not, even big name integrators, and I say big name integrators, the Dells and HPs of the world, sometimes some of their rogue service centers, this shit actually happens. In spite of offering you RAM which is overpriced, SSD which are overpriced like shit. For example, you could buy a 1TB NVMe for like 6,000-7,000. They'll charge you 15,000 for that. In spite of doing that shit, you'll actually notice this happens a whole lot. Okay, now this chap is saying he bought a PC in 2007. In 2010, he gave it to his cousin, but when he had taken it to a repair shop, the GPU was taken out by that PC repair shop. And since that guy didn't have any knowledge, poof, GPU gone. Scam number 7 is pre-owned marketplace scams. I mean, this is a huge post that somebody's written. Absolutely. Scamsters, they have a similar modus operandi. They set up a store on WhatsApp. Oh, wow. Don't go, Alex. Don't buy on Facebook. This is not to say that Facebook doesn't have legit sellers. They might have legit sellers. But you are actually exposing yourself to this kind of scams. It's kind of your fault. Don't go deal hunting. Be careful of where you're purchasing from. If in doubt, the simplest thing, 2 things that you absolutely need to do, check their Google reviews. Absolutely check their Google reviews. That's number 1. Number 2, check their socials. Any decent establishment which is doing okay and actually moving some kind of product will have an active and live socials. Let it be YouTube, let it be Instagram, let it be anything. That's number 1. Of course, number 2 is reviews. When you are actually seeing substantial amount of reviews for any kind of a company in any field, you're almost certain that you're not going to get scammed. For us, example, we have amazing reviews across all 4 locations that we have. The bulk of our reviews are in Hyderabad because that was the first one to establish. But we have stores in Mumbai, Gurgaon, and even Bangalore. The reason was so that we are closer to you and you feel more at ease to place your amazing PC build orders with us. Let it be a VFX workstation or a gaming PC. You know who to get in touch with. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helped some of you. Don't buy on Facebook once again. Thank you for watching.